Category musical instrument. 1, 2, 3. Guitar. Category animals that can eat you. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome back to our channel. If you are a new subscriber and you're about to watch this challenge, click on the subscribe button down here. And if you're an old subscriber, then welcome back to the family. Today we are going to do a challenge. This challenge is called the Jinx challenge. I saw this challenge not floating around YouTube, but I saw it on a particular channel and I decided that it would be something cute for us to try. So let me tell you what the Jinx challenge is. The Jinx challenge is, what I'm going to do is that I am going to name a category and hubby and I is going to try to say the same thing from the category, excuse me, at the same time. Does that make sense? So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to say female, and then we're going to try to say the same female name at the same time. If at any point we say the same thing, then that's a Jinx. How cool is that? So to make it more exciting, we have to wear our Jinx gloves to give us more strength and power to say the same thing at the same time. Okay, so here we go. I hope I don't laugh this challenge like I did the other one. Okay, which hand you're using? Okay, you're using right?
Left.
Left. So I should use right. So we're gonna put our hand like this. Okay, you guys. So we are ready. So the first category is fruits. So we're gonna name the category, which is fruit, and then we're going to try to say the same fruit at the same time. Ready? Category fruit. 1, 2, 3. Apple. So that's one Jinx. Category musical instrument. 1, 2, 3. Guitar. That's Jinx too. Category type of balls. 1, 2, 3.
Football.
Basketball.
Football.
Okay. Category body parts. 1, 2, 3.
Head.
Breast.
Head.
You guys hear Tyler in the background? He's so funny. Alright. Category shapes. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. You idiot.
I was trying to figure out what to shape.
Category shapes. 1, 2, 3.
Triangle.
Circle.
Triangle, circle. Same thing.
Okay. Category, yes baby. Category pies.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Apple.
Pie.
Apple.
This is so funny. How many Jinx was that? Category animals that can eat you. 1, 2, 3. Lion.
Crocodile.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Category cars. 1, 2, 3. Aston Martin.
BMW.
Aston Martin is your favorite car. Honey, you should get that, Jinx.
Yeah, but
Oh my god, but BMW is mine, so we should get that too. Category colors. 1, 2, 3.
Pink.
Blue.
Pink.
Tyler looking at us like these crazy
The
parents
pink.
of mine.
I'm gonna dress you in pink.
Category songs.
1, 2, 3.
Gospel. Category food. 1, 2, 3. Chinese.
Cuisine.
Category animal. 1, 2, 3.
Giraffe.
Cat.
Giraffe.
Category actor. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Will
Brad
Smith.
Pitt. Category clothes. 1, 2, 3.
Dress.
Socks.
What socks? Why socks?
That's the first thing came to my mind.
Really?
Okay, we're gonna do the last one. Category country. 1, 2, 3. Barbados.
Why Barbados?
I don't know, that's the first thing that came to my mind.
Okay. I mean, there's-
Okay, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy our Jinx challenge. And if you guys do enjoy this, comment below. As a matter of fact, comment below and tell us how many Jinx we got because we lost count. So comment below and tell us how much Jinx we got. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a new viewer, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you have watched this far. We love you guys. Thank you guys for all the continued support. And we'll see you next time in our next video. Bye guys.